If you own a home or you're thinking about buying one, there are three words that you absolutely need to understand: deed, title, ownership. Most people think they're the same thing, but they're not. And misunderstanding them can cost you money, delay a sale, or even create legal issues down the road. So today I'm going to break this down into plain English so you can protect your investment and make smarter real estate decisions. Let's start with deed. A deed is a physical, legal document that transfers ownership of a property from one person to another. Think of it like a receipt, but a very important legal receipt. There are different types of deeds, but the most common are warranty deed and quitclaim deed. Warranties offer the highest level of protection to the buyer. Quitclaims transfer whatever interest someone has without any guarantee. Here's the quick takeaway. The deed is what gets recorded at the city or town hall or county register of deeds. And this proves ownership has indeed been transferred. Now, title. What exactly is title? This is where people get confused. Title is not a document. Title is the legal concept of ownership rights to a property. When you have title, it means you have the right to live in the property, sell it, transfer it, or even refinance it. But here's the catch. Title can have issues, also known as clouds on the title, like liens, unpaid taxes, boundary disputes, ownership claims from other property or parties. That's why title work and title insurance are so important in every transaction. Even if you're doing a flip or a short-term buy and hold, you need to get title insurance. All right, now let's look at ownership types. Let's connect this to how you actually own the property. Ownership isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. The way you take title matters more than most people realize. Here are the most common types: sole ownership, one person owns a property; joint tenancy, equal ownership with rights of survivorship; tenancy in common, shared ownership, but not necessarily equal; trust ownership, property held in a trust for estate planning. Now, why this matters. The way you hold title can impact what happens if someone passes away, how the property is taxed, whether probate is required, and how easily you can sell or transfer the property. This is something I walk through carefully with my clients because getting this wrong can create major issues later. Here's a little secret tip. I refer it to my really good attorney partners because they know the law and they understand what my client needs. All right, next. Now, why this matters to you. Here is where this becomes real for homeowners. If your deed is incorrect, if your title has an issue, or if your ownership structure doesn't match your goals, you could run into problems when you go to sell. I've seen deals delayed, even fall apart, because title issues that could have been fixed years earlier weren't. That's why part of my role as a realtor is not just helping you buy or sell, it's helping you protect your ownership position long before there's a transaction on the table. And that's why it's essential to use good attorneys. And I have a list of the ones that are good and the list of the ones that are maybe not so good. All right, so if you found this video helpful, if it created questions, I've put together a free guide called the Property Ownership and Title Protection Guide. It's not legal advice. It breaks all of this down and shows you how to avoid costly mistakes before they can happen. You can send me an email to joe@joelucarealtor.com and I will get it out to you within 24 hours. This is not legal advice. I'm not an attorney. This is just information to let you become educated about certain issues that could impact the value of your home. So if you want help reviewing your current ownership setup or planning your next move, I'm Joe Luca Realtor, and I'm here to help you make the best possible real estate decisions for your future. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with someone who's interested in buying or selling real estate. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.